Yo, hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm just going to show you how you can design your own quotes. So our final product will look like this. So as you can see, there is a background of this time, and also there is what do you call it, some text here. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, make sure you have Photoshop installed. So just open your Photoshop. Let's click on File, click on New, and leave everything and click Create. Okay, so this is our file we are going to work on. Okay, first of all, I have leave a link to the description below. You can find this file. So when you download this file, you have to extract this file. This file contains the background and the URL to download the fonts I use. Okay, so if you double click on this, you can see these files. So this is our background and this is the font star. Okay, so in order to install the font star, double click on the font star and click on it, click on install. I've already installed. Okay, so this is a font style you are going to use, and this is, so after that you are done. The name is Monday Feelings Fonts, and this is the background. So what I'll do is I'll just drag this background onto our Photoshop edit, and you can see this is our background. And at this lower right side we have, this is the layer panel, this is the layer 0, and this is the background. So what you're going to do is I'll just select the background layer, I'll go edit, and I'll click on free transform. This allow us to increase and decrease the size of any image, as you can see. So I want to fill the background with this image, so I'll stretch up to this place, and I'll stretch the down also, and you can see it is looking nice now. I want to like this, and click on this mark, and then we are done. You get it? So we have placed our background. The next thing, let's add a text. You can add any text you want. This is the text tool. I'll click on any space here, and I'll just write if you plan to fail, sorry, it should be if you fail to plan, if you fail to plan. What is wrong? If you fail to plan, I'll press enter, I'll come to the next. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Okay, so you can maybe for you your text color will be, let's say white. So let's select like this, and if you want to change the text of the color, as you can see, if I click on this, the text change to white. Okay, so as you can see, the white is so plain, so I want to match the color with this same color here. So what I will do is I'll just double click on it, I'll click on this icon here, I have to move this bar aside, and I'll click on this color. I want this color, this section, so I'll click OK. So I'm done. So we are almost done, and I'll press Ctrl+T, or you can press the same edit free transfer, or Ctrl+T, so that you expand it. Okay, so you can move this to the next line. You press enter, I press enter, and here we are. And also the font style, in order to change the font style, you double click on the text, click on this drop down and search for Monday's Feeling, because you have already installed it. And let's say this is our good, so this is it. So I want to still expand it, Control T, then I'll increase the size. That is good. I think now it's okay. I want to give it a stroke to make sure that this color does not conflict with the colors here, because they look similar. Okay, so what I'll do is, on this layer, I'll click on this FX icon here. I'll select stroke. You get it? I'll select the size should be 5, and it should be outside, and the color I have choose white, and now press OK. Boom. Then we are done. So let's save it into what do you call it, PNG or JPEG. That's when you can use it. If you finish editing any image, you need to save it in either PNG or JPEG. So what you do is click on File, click on Save As, and look for your location. I'll choose desktop and look for PNG or JPEG. Okay, so it cannot be found here. What you do is click on this info. If you click on this info, you see there is information. Not seeing a desired format like JPEG or PNG, you save a copy. That is, you press Control Alt and X, and you are going to see the format. So let's go back. Let's press Control plus Alt plus S, and now let's click. We have so many other extensions. This is PNG, this is JPEG. So I'm going to save it in PNG. You can choose to save it either JPEG or PNG, but I recommend using PNG because it does not reduce the quality. So I click, give it a name, any name that you want. I'll save it in on the desktop. Save. So we are done. So let's go back, and this is it. Let me double click, and boom. I hope you enjoy this. Just like, subscribe, and comment for more. Thanks for watching. See you.